I'd like to welcome you all to my talk about data-driven business models based on 3D technologies. So I want to achieve two things with this talk. First, I want you to know about data-driven business models and how they differ from regular business models. And second, I want to convey which tremendous opportunity right now lies in 3D technologies because they are currently taking off. I'm going to guide you through the presentation as follows. First, I'm going to talk a little bit about FRAMOS, what we do in the imaging industry, who we are. Second, we'll have a deep dive on data-driven business models and how they work. After that, I'm going to show you some market uptake in the area of 3D. And after that, I'm going to show you some application examples we've been involved with to get your mind thinking how you could apply 3D technology. FRAMOS has been in the imaging industry about 36 years. We've got a worldwide presence. You see here our head office in Munich. I'm sitting here. We've got our strongest growth office in Ottawa, where we serve the American market. Recently, we opened an office in California, and the next spot you're going to see on the map will be in Southeast Asia. We employ roughly 150 people and make 50 million in revenues per year. And our company developed in the 80s from distributing Sony sensors in Central Europe. And that is why the machine vision industry is so strong and so strongly developed in Central Europe. And this is in our genes. We are a company that enables other companies with their technology to succeed in the next technological step. And this is what we want to do again with 3D technology, so we see it ahead coming. And from a technology perspective, we evolved from the simple sensor to complete systems. So right now, we are putting sensors onto PCBs, add connectors to have an imaging module. And we also have projects with embedded vision. So then we connect the imaging modules to NVIDIA Jetsons, to Snapdragons, so that you can have a complete system with the imaging.